Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So today we are going to discuss the Alibaba weekly time frame. So let's see where market can move in this week. In our previous video on weekly time frame, we have done discussed $100 going to be a very crucial support for the market. So the buyer never wanted to close below this range. The moment he started closing below this range, all of the SL for the buyer has been taken off, and market can fall down sharply from the top. And this is now what exactly market is doing that we expected in our previous video. So let's see where market how market can how long market can safely fall from this range. And if we looking for the support for the market, it is nearby 80 to 75 range, 80 to 75 range, and market is now closing current price $95. So it is 70 to 80 range for the market right now, where he is standing to find out his nearby support. So it's a scary scenario going to be for this stock. And as we know, this stock, Charlie Munger has already half of his share his sell off. So he is the very good investor. If he sell off from this stock, so you may understand that what could be the future for this stock. But as a fundamental stock, if you saw, these stock are very strong for the fundamental. But as a technical, there is no any place for the buyer, or there is no any good sign to buy in the market or even investing for in this stock. So that's a warning sign for the people who invested here. If you have in invest in this stock, the moment he started closing this range $100, believe me, there is no any sign to invest or hold this stock for potential to thinking that it may go on the higher side for in future. So we don't know how long it will take time to go on the higher side, or how long it will fall, or how long it may go down from the range where it's standing. So let's see where market can move in this week, and for this we need to go in the daily time frame to understand how exactly market can go. So right now, if we have done discuss from in our previous video, these are the big pillar momentum. The moment you see the big candle from the top, you need to understand this is the initial sign that market has turning to U-turn from the market. So it was at the uptrend. The moment he started making in the big candle, I already given you I already given you information that market maybe take a U-turn from this range, because these are the momentum. This is the not candle that we you and me made, because these are the momentum that some of the big player has sell in the market. So they think that this is the place for the market, that they cannot go on the higher side. This is exactly after making this kind of bullish big candle from the top, market has started softly from this range. So this kind of small point you have to keep in mind. If you saw a big candle, big red candle on the top, that might be a selling opportunity, that might be a sign for the shorting market. So right now, let's see how we can trade in this stock. So after $100 closing, he sharply fall 5 point from this range. So right now he is standing 95 range. So I feel like that maybe Monday and Tuesday we might see a sharply fall from the top. If this market going to open in the flat range, then only. If after opening the flat range, then maybe Monday or Tuesday we could see a sharply fall from this range, while he if after opening the flat, then 90 to $92, maybe he try to take as support this kind of momentum. We might see a green candle after Monday or Tuesday. After that $100 going to be a previous time, that range was act as a resistance for the market, right, for the support for the market. So after closing this range, the moment he tried to go on the higher side, definitely this will be act as a support for the resistance for the market. So it was previous time as a support for the market. The moment he closed, now this will going to act as a resistance. So for the shorter time, the 90, 92 and 91 are going to be act as a support, but it's for the shorter time. So after take the support from $100, he might be served fall again. So as we see in our in daily time and weekly time frame, that 80 or 75 is going to be the support, initial and strong support for the buyer. And these are the gap pending that buyer look like generally they are targeting this gap to fill up the way they are coming from the top. It's look like within weeks or 2 weeks this gap will be fill up, and we could see very soon $80 market could be sharply fall from the way he stand. And as I said, Charlie Munger has already sell off 20%, half 50% of his stock, half of the stock he sell off already. I think as after seeing this kind of big momentum, and these are the big news that stock potential, it was the last hope for the buyer that stock should be go on the higher side. But the moment seller is still taken off and breaking all of the support for the market, so there is no any hope for the market to go on the higher side. So we will discuss in weekly time frame in every day. If you wanted to get a daily view for this stock, comment below, then I will try to give you the idea how to trade on this stock every day. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thank you very much.